Namaste. Radhe Radhe. Welcome to Symbiosis School for Excellence, Salempur, Sonk Road, Mathura. I'm Jyotsna Singh Chauhan, principal of the school. I'm so happy to welcome Inspection Committee, Member 1, Mrs. Latesh Chaudhary, Principal Lancers Convent School, Rohini Delhi, Member 2, Mr. Gaurav Dwivedi, Principal KB Number 1, Gwalior MP. We are here for recording a video to be given for prior inspection for upgradation from senior secondary Symbiosis School for Excellence is situated in Salempur in a lush green environment. Its campus is spread in 3.28 acres, free from city noise and pollution, with all required amenities. Symbiosis School for Excellence believes in education with values, which becomes an essential part in lifelong run. This is our building. This is a small park of Symbiosis School for Mathura. Whenever the parents come to visit our school, there are some benches. They can have a look and they can have fresh air in the green environment. We have a small fountain too, which people likes the most. In fact, this school basically goes for environment-based education. Let's go to the entrance of the school. As you can see that we have many pots, lots of plants are there. Children are being educated for the greenery, for the environment, for plantation of trees. They are taught to be part of the environment. This is a small welcome note for the IC members, those who are part of the BIOS team. Let's come to the reception area. This is our reception room. Let me take you to the director's room. This is our director's room. As you can see, our children have brought laureates to the school, as well as we focus on the work education. This is the SUPW work which our students have made, and we are proud that we are able, our talented teachers, they have taught about all these things to their parents as well as to the students. Our director is a very highly qualified and learned person who believes in a good education to be given in this area. Let me take you to my room. This is my room where parents come and they discuss about their problems. Not only with the problems, they also suggest with the different points. These are the documents which I keep with me. This is the attendance register of the teachers. These are the planners which teachers make day to day. These are the attendance registers. These are the diaries. School grievances committee. We have Eco Club, POSCO and Vishaka committee, school managing committee, PTA association, women harassment committee. So we have all the required committees, which is utmost part of the education line. Here we have account section. This is a fee counter also, where parents come and deposit their fees. Otherwise, the parents they pay fee online in the bank. This is a small arena where generally we take small discussion content with the teachers. Whenever there is a small meeting or small consideration, then we call the teachers here and we discuss. Here we have a small pantry room. This is a washroom for females, parents, for the guardians, as well as for the staff members. Here is the wash basin. There is a seat. On that side, we have male washroom, again for the parents or the guardians, those who come to visit our school. With all the amenities and facilities, we have urinal washroom as well as the basin. On the entrance also we have safety measure. So we have planted a cylinder over here. We keep all the points in mind so that in case of any emergency we can utilize them. Now let me take you to the upstairs. This chair is generally used for the official purposes and it is being used by the teachers and the official members only. Now let me take you to the lab and library. It is upstairs. This is our bio lab. This is the basin which is being used by the teachers as well as with the students after doing experiment. You can see as it is on the table, we have placed a hand towel also. There is hand wash too that can be utilized. This lab is equipped with all the educational chart related to the chapters. We have microscopes to measure different slides whenever students go for any experiment. As you can see that different parts of the body is being displayed so that the students can have a better look of the parts. These are the specimens about which they do study. Not only this, we have some standby things also which is generally used during the time of experiment. We have the charts also. Whenever the classes are there in the class, then these are being used by the teachers. We have maintained a register for the biolab in which all the descriptions are mentioned. In the index, alphabetically it is mentioned. Later on, all the descriptions are placed on the page wise. So we keep all the records about the things which are available in the biolab.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me take you to the knowledge hub. It is our library. As you can see that we are having magazine stands in which different books are available in English as well as Hindi. Comics are there so that all group of children can enjoy very well whenever they come to the library. We have this newspaper stand too. Whomsoever is interested in day-to-day news, they can come and they can go through the news. So you can see well that we are having two stands for magazine, inclusive newspaper. Here are the books, collection of books. We have around about 2,800 books in the library of the different sections for the different classes of different subjects. So students, if they have any kind of problem, they can go through the books and they can take help of the librarian by taking the books and they can move down the content related to it. Not only the things, we have a huge ample of collection of NCERT books too, which is being recommended by CBSE board. Here come with a section of novels, different books, short story books in Hindi, in English. These are the small story books which students generally enjoy a lot. Teachers read aloud and tell them about it. Here we are having very good collection of the periodicals, magazines. As you can see, the newspapers are also here. So we have all the required things as per the bylaws. This is the section for class 1 and class 2. Subject wise, the books are arranged and books are being provided to the students whenever there is required. This is the collection of books for 9th standard. You can see we have very good collection of the books along with the NCERT books so that students can take and note down the contents. Let me take you to the section of 10th standard. Even we have good collection of books in 10th standard also, including NCERT books as well as the different sample papers. As we are going for the upgradation, so we have collection of few books of 11th as well as 12th standard. And this is a small section of collection of different things. These are the dictionaries which are being issued to the students whenever they require. Here is a collection of encyclopedia, different GK books. You can see the library cards of the students. So whenever they require any book, it is being issued by these library cards. We have a session register in which we keep all the records of the books with all the entries. I'll show you the number of the books which I have mentioned in the beginning. We have almost 2,800 books in all. We have separate register for the NCERT books. What we are having, one issual register is also there. In this we mention all about the entries of NCERT books. This is the issual register as well as newspaper and periodical books. What comes in every month, we keep the record of this. We have certain life manuals too, which is required, which is a mandatory requirement of the CBSE board. So if any teacher or if any students whoever wants to go through these books, they are allowed for it. Let me take you to the sitting area where the students, they sit here and read books under supervision of the teachers. It is very airy, and from here the students can have a very nice view of the greenery too. Let me take you to the another lab. As you can see that for precautionary measure, in front of labs we are having the cylinders. These are well updated. Now let me take you to the physics lab. This is our physics lab in which all the equipments are there as per the subject, as per the experiment mentioned in the book. The students enjoy their experiment here and they become learned after completion of schooling. In relevant to this, you can see the charts are also placed on the wall so that it becomes easy for them to understand the different measurements and the topics. Not only this, we are having ample of amount of the experimental things stored in the almirah so that from time to time, as per the requirement, it is used. This is one of the almirah. Now here comes the second almirah. You can see the glass prism, vernier caliper, screw gauge, weights, windmills, stopwatch, and other things are also there. So it is very useful for the students when they do experiments. Let me take you to the chemistry lab. This is our chemistry lab. Again, it is equipped with different charts. Beakers are there, test tubes are there, spirit lamps, required basins are there. All the taps are operable. We have kept the jar as well as hand wash. All the chemicals are available. All the necessary things are there. Let me take you to the other side. For safety measure, a cylinder is placed here in the chemistry lab itself. So as you can see that we have all the required apparatus available in the chemistry lab. We have a green board too. At the time of experiment, if it requires any kind of explanation, the teacher uses this board and students are able to understand the things. all the required chemicals as well as apparatus, availability of apparatus are in ample of amount, so that student find it easy to go through the things. Some items are still packed, yet we have not opened. As per the requirement, we will be opening later on. So we can see that all the things are very nicely abled, easily reachable. Students enjoy learning and teachers enjoy teaching to their students. Let me take you to the another room, which is sports room. All the amenities are available here. These are the kits which are used by the students. We have volleyball, football, bat, wicket, cricket balls. Our students have brought laureate to the school as we are having our own cricket team in the school. We have carom, chess, ludos, skates. So we can see that all the indoor games as well as outdoor games are very easily available in the school. So the students enjoy a lot being a part of the Symbiosis School for Excellence. Let me show you the short view of our ground. It is full of greenery. As you can see, the cricket turf is there, which is being used by the senior students. They have brought, as I have shown you in the very first shot, they have brought so many cups and laureates to the school. We are proud of our students that they are part of Symbiosis School for Excellence. This is the stair which is used by the students. Let me take you to the primary academic block.
Robert is there.
Primary block. While passing from this area, we have a small temple where children bow their head and start the day with love, with devotion. This is a small park attached to the primary block. Here, they bring our tiny tots to play on their own in the supervision of the teachers. Swings are there, sliders are there, seesaw is there, merry-go-round is there. Students enjoy their day with fun.
Oh.
You can see that Symbiosis School for Excellence has AC buses for their students. In the scorching heat, students are being brought under AC so that they should not feel heat. This is our second bus. This is a small arena here. We have evacuation map. The school provides the necessary emergency exits if there is any kind of requirement. Let me take you to the classroom. This is our classroom for the dining doors. Small pictures have been made by our students. Shapes are being described. This is one of the learning mode by which the students learn a lot. Here is a small instruction. Whenever anybody falls sick, they are being an instruction what is to be done on the regular basis. The tables are revised by the students so that they can mug up the things. For tiny tots, here we have the facility. This is the place for drinking water. This is the toilet for the boys. Let me take you inside. These are the small urinal places for the boys. This is the washroom for the girls. With small basin, hand wash, a small dustbin is also placed here. Students are being taught. This is a small arena which is well decorated. And this is a small arena where the display board is being decorated by the students as well as the teachers. In the similar way, we have placed the tiles so that students can enjoy and they can have fun as well as they can learn different stories. Teachers tell them about the stories by showing them these tiles. So they come to know about the different characters of the cartoons too. Here we have another cylinder placed. In the requirement of emergency, let me take you to the another class. You can see that this class is well decorated and they are being taught with the different words like welcome, excuse me, thank you, please, sorry, magic words, the name of the months, Varnamala, parts of the tree, names of the wild animals, traffic light rules, names of the birds, means of transports, different class activities is being placed. As we use next education books, so there are the words which is being displayed here through which we teach the students about the words, how to learn, how to pronounce and how to train the words. Name of week, days, vowels and their uses. So you can see that everything is being taught to the students by the different boards. By passing through this passage, you can go through with the different things. Let me take you to the another class. This class too is well decorated with pet animals names, wild animals names, flowers names, fruits names, parts of the body, number names, different birds to be identified. Classes, we have CCTV camera, so teachers as well as students are regularly monitored by the management. Let's go to another class. This is a small arena where our few teachers sit as the supervisors so that no children do any kind of nuisance. This is another class with all informative things. They learn so many things and it is being felt by the parents that students love to come to the school as they find different things to learn. They enjoy, they play, they learn things in a play-way mode. In this class also we have CCTV camera. In the entire school, we have almost more than 100 CCTV cameras which is being regularly used. Now let me take you to the wellness room. This is a small medical room. If any child gets sick or in the case of any sickness, we bring the child here. This is a bed which is being used by the teachers. We have a small first aid box in which we have kept all the required medicine like Dettol in case of any hurt. In case of stomach ache, we use Hajmola. In case of gastroenteritis, we give Diagene. We do use thermometer to assess the temperature, glucose, Band-Aid, and all the precautionary measures as this COVID-19 has taught to be regularized use of sanitizers. This is a small register in which all the details are mentioned, which child is sick, what kind of tablet or what kind of medication is given is recorded here. As you see that all the classes are comprised of dustbins too. Not only the dustbin here, we have dustbin outside also, so that we teach our students to use dustbin. Let me take you to the room where students enjoy the most. We have all the items through which the students learn, they play, they feel relaxed, they sit on the mat and they learn too. Here is a small basketball placement is there. Whenever the student plays, it is being placed on the wall on an angle and the student play accordingly. We have screen for the small children so that in case if there is scorching heat or if it is raining, the student can enjoy here instead of going to the attached park, which I have already shown it to you. So we have all the seesaws, small bikes, small moving things. Not only this, we give them some kind of lessons what they are supposed to do in a day, like combing of hair, clean shirt they should wear, neat skirt, polished shoes, clean socks, belt in place, necktie. So with this, a student tries to make them in a perfect order or manner. So these are the toys, these are the small things by which they learn a lot, they enjoy a lot. Let me take you to the junior block. At the entrance, you can see again a cylinder is placed as a mark of emergency mode. Let me take you one of the class. This is our class and this is the display board which is changed by the students in every month on a given topic by the class teacher. This is a small arena where our teachers sit and students are being supervised by the teachers, concerned teachers. Let me take you to the music lab. This is our small music room. We have all the amenities like speakers, harmonium, tabla, dholak, manjira, dafli, drum, podium. The confidence level of the students are built here. Let me take you to the computer lab. We have almost 25 computers in a room. Students enjoy a lot here learning as a brilliant mind works here. We have a projector too. So whenever there is a requirement of a subject to be shown on a big thing, then we use projector. Many of the conferences related equipments is being shown by this. Now let me take you to the this is a place which is used by the girls. This is a girls' toilet. It is a restroom used by the girls. with a small basin. A dustbin and seats. We have a highly storage of water. This is a drinking place area. We have RO water. Let me take you to the SST and Maths lab. As you can see, let me take you to the composite Maths and SST lab. As you can see, the students get knowledge through the different boards, different charts are there. Graph sheet is there. If anything is taught of graph, it is being placed, it is being showed by the teacher here. Even the student use them. You can see we have different items to teach them. Different shapes are placed. This section goes for the SST. Students are explained through the models, day and night, latitude and longitudes, all the zones, different places, world places, India, Asia, globe is used very oftenly to teach them the chapters. This is our 9th standard and everything is made by the students. We have so many creative minds. Students enjoy making different charts on the different festivals, then projecting on the display boards. It is also being done by the different houses. We do have science club too, in which students participate in the exhibition too. This is another washroom area. This washroom is being used by the boys. As you can see that we have all the modernized equipments. Basin is there. All the urinals are there. Very neat and tidy. This is the water point. This is a hand wash tap. Here, this is another exit of emergency. So we have placed an evacuation map with all the instructions on it. As we are going for the upgradation, now let me take you to the senior secondary section. At the entrance we are having cylinders. All this setup we are having in advance before starting up the senior secondary classes. This is the drinking area. Let me take you inside. This is boys' washroom. We are having basins, urinals, toilet seats. One Indian, one Western. A small staff room area where our dedicated teachers, they sit These are the almiras where records are being kept. In their free time, we do have an electronic gadget. In case of anything to be contacted, they use this telephone. These are the classes for the upgradation. These are the baking classes. This is another one. We do have all the CCTV cameras in the passage too. This is the third one. The another one. All these classes we are prepared with for the upgradation. Here comes another class. With required all the measurements. Last but not the least, so as you can see that we are well prepared for the upgradation. Let me take you to the another washroom. In the same manner, we are having girls' washroom. Basin is also there. The Indian seating. One western too.
चलो.
Let me take you to the playground. This is the demarcation for kabaddi. Students play kabaddi here in this green environment. They compete against different houses as well as inter-houses. Inter-class competition also takes place. Now let me take you to the volleyball ground. This area we have marked for the volleyball ground. Here students not only play the volleyball but they played badminton also. As from the upsides I have shown you this turf for the senior students. They love to play cricket, as you know that cricket is a big craze among the students or the children nowadays. They have this rough and tough turf. Here they play cricket. We emphasize more and more this. Now let me take you to the basketball court. This is the basketball court where students enjoy playing basketball. small turfs where students practice for the cricket. Ground. This is our assembly arena.
चलो
Let me take you to the assembly ground. This is a small arena where our students come for the assembly in the morning. They bow their head in front of Goddess Saraswati. They chant prayer. Not only the prayer is being done, they take oath and pledge to work and study hard. Along with it, they go for the physical exercise. From time to time, students are encouraged for yoga. During winter season, they do lots of drills, yoga, many informative classes, inductions are taken on this stage.
कट करके दोबारा
This to come to assembly ground. They enjoy their morning assembly. The moment they reach to the school, they respect their teacher by wishing them. They learn a lot. They learn all the ethics from the prayer itself. Now let us take you to the aerial viewing from where you can see the boundary wall. Now I have come to the conclusive part of this video. I would like to thank my IC members for cooperating in all the regards. I would like to invite them whenever they come to Mathura. They do visit Symbiosis School for Excellence and guide us for the more improvement so that we should become a learned one in Mathura. Thank you so much. Welcome all of you. Thank you so much, the entire team, for guiding us. Thank you so much, the entire team, for making us to do such things.